Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to do this quick little video on this GLSL Pathtracer that's available on GitHub through Night and it looks like it could have some potential application with LightWave, but I haven't quite figured the whole thing out yet. What I have figured out is how to build the program, and it's actually not that hard as long as you follow the text instructions that come with it. So if you come in, there's install instructions here, and then you just have to get CMake up. And I'll have a link to a video that shows you how to do this. So if you just follow these steps, they're very well explained. You can create this folder on your desktop. It's like right here, all in one package. So if I click into this thing and I go to build, this is after you followed all the instructions, you'll have the Pathtracer exec on there. And if you click on it, it starts running, and then here it is. And of course it's all path tracing, right? So it's all self-contained. It's really cool. If you click here, there's the settings. I can make this box big, I guess. So, you know, it's kind of the usual suspects for navigating. It's kind of weird if you turn too far, it just goes into blackness, but this is the space. What it looks like though is everything is a Maya scene. So I want to show you this little guy right here. That's actually from LightWave, so I brought that in from LightWave. Of course the scale's all off and stuff, but I gotta work out the kinks. But so I don't know how to get a LightWave scene file into a Maya scene file. But within the scene file, it relies on objects, and then if you go in and you rename the objects, you can export out LightWave as an object, and then I can get an object in. I can get a LightWave object in, but I can't yet get a LightWave scene file in. So that would be ideal, is just to figure that piece of it out. But for right now, the best I can do is get an object in, and even that's a little funky, but it's definitely doable. So I think it's interesting that, you know, there's this technology available, and gosh, it'd be so easy to integrate it. It's just, unfortunately, I'm not a C++ developer yet, but it's very interesting. So I just thought I'd share this with you. It's kind of fun to mess around with. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Take care and have a great day.